Hello and welcome. I'm Ajan Denchonko. I will be taking you around to let you understand how Kenyans and other East African members are taking advantage of making a living out of motorbikes, which is popularly known as boda. Some people who are not familiar with how this thing works may not understand or may underestimate the power and the way it is supplying these individuals with livelihood. Take example in town of Eldoret, where this BODABODA operates. I will be talking to three members who have been in this business for many years. Some of them have been doing this business for 10 years, some for more than 10 years, and some for less than 10 years. Out of this business, they are able to supply food to their own families and also be able to pay school fees. They are also able to sustain their children all throughout. This is something that is very unique and that is not understood how it works. Majority of these people have been to other areas of work. Take example, one of the Form 4 leavers who sat for his KCSE, or a Kenyan Certificate of Secondary School Education, in 2012, got an employment, but he was not paid.
Mobile coffee?
Yeah, it's mobile.
You don't have a permanent shop, you just...
No, I come to these people, these are my friends.
Yeah.
I sell to them. And this is how we do it. Let me do it for example. That one goes for 10 Kenya shillings.
Because of that, he opted out to seek for other avenues whereby he would be able to sell coffee to the BODABODA operators.
The total amount 400 after I deduct some amount of buying the stock. I remain with a profit of 200 shillings. After my Form 4, I started this job because I was employed as a private teacher.
Yeah.
It was not paying because at the end of the month, my employer was not paying me. So I decided to quit the job.
So you are a Form 4 leaver?
Yeah.
What grade have you got?
I got C+.
C+?
Yeah.
Who is also looking after his family, and his employment is only the BODABODA business. In talking to him, he said that he has been looking for a job to do in other places, but there was no possibility, or there was no anybody taking him on. So he decided to use the little money that he has to buy himself a motorbike, which is a BODABODA. In the last 5 years, he has been able to provide all the needs that his family want, from clothing, housing, and also paying school fees for his children. Another member of this BODABODA community is Jonathan Mele. Jonathan has been working in this industry for almost 10 years. In one of his statements, he said that much of the work that they do depend on personal relationship with the customers. Customers most of the time have to get used to the situation, and the BODABODA.
And what is your name first?
My name is Jonathan Mele. I've been working for this BODABODA riding for almost 10 years.
10 years?
Almost 10 years. But this is a good job, not a bad job. The real thing is to be serious, hardworking. Everything will be okay. Customers have understand the way the job is. Maybe sometimes government take the price of fuel up. Customers understand price change. That's the way we do.
Sasa, with this job, you are able to pay your house and pay your school fees?
Yes, can pay. The hard work you have, the way you talk to customers, understanding, and then maybe someone tells you, I have no money today, I will give you tomorrow. You understand, and it will be ongoing coming. Every day.
So you will be having customers?
Yes, every day you have customers, new customers, regular customers. Job continues.
Do you have children yourself?
Yes, I have two.
And only this job. This is the only
job.
one.
Yes, this is one job. No other job. Yes.
Another member of the BODABODA community is Mr. Sokoi, whom you can see coming on that first BODABODA. He has been working in this industry. Even though he's looking for other avenues, he thinks this is the best thing that he has so far. And he has this to say to people who are not seeing this as a job.
Songoi.
Yeah.
Okay. How long have you been doing BODABODA?
For about 3 years.
Is this the only job that you do?
Yeah, this is the only job that I do.
How many days?
All days. I do 7 days.
7 days.
Yeah.
Sasa, do you need any other job or this is the only job? Can a government employ you? Serikali anaweza kupatia kazi ingine ama unapenda hii?
Okay, I just do this because there is no job.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's not that I like this.
But it is sustaining you.
Yeah.
Now sasa, if you work all those 5 days, how much do you make a month?
For a month?
Huh?
For a month or
Money. How much a month? Amount that, do you save anything?
Yeah, I do save.
So can you make about 20,000 shillings?
Yeah.
So you are better than a teacher.
I'm better than a teacher.
Next to Mr. Songoi is Mr. Stephen Omondi. He was looking to go to university in his life, but opportunities become narrow. So he decided to care for his family, and the only way now is to do it through BODABODA, where he works 7 days a week to ensure that he has enough money to care and to be able to pay for his school fees and children's school fees.
My name is Stephen Omondi.
Omondi?
Yes.
Idinadi? Okay. How long have you been doing this?
So around 4 years.
4 years?
Yes.
Were you doing something before this? Or
Yes.
where were you working?
Nilikuwa natengeneza baskeli.
Okay, sasa
Yes.
na hii kazi?
And now sasa ndio naendesha motorbike.
Is it a good job in terms of keeping your family?
Yes.
Ah.
Yes.
So do you save anything?
Yes.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay. But now what of those who are sitting on the street who think that they will wait for the government to employ them, or those who are lazy who don't want to do anything? What is your advice to them?
I advise every people come to look job, because any job it is job. If you want to do job, you can get job. Yes.
So here you can try this.
Yes. If you try this one, or if you try to wash the toilet, it is a job.
And you are proud of it.
Yes.
Do you have kids yourself?
Yeah?
Unaweza kulipa shule ya watoto sana?
Yes. I'm paying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mimi niko na 3 children.
3 children?
Yes.
So you are a
One
father of
is
3?
class 8, another one is class 5, and the another one is a baby class.
And you paying on this?
Yes.
Another question one will ask is whether the local government is making money out of this. And one of the BODABODA's operators agrees that they pay about 600 Kenyan shilling every month, which is $6.
Yes, we pay 600 a month.
600 shillings?
Sticker. 600 shillings a month.
Okay.
Yes.
Now fuel sasa how much is the fuel?
Fuel at this time is 115 shillings per liter.
Okay.
You consume every day 2 to 2.5 liters.
Can you save anything, or everything go to food and school fees?
I will save almost likely 400 savings, but all the other money.
400 every day?
Yes.
Work hard, don't sit idle. That is the message that they are telling you, and here is the advice that they are telling you on what they do.
You should stop being lazy and think twice. You know, in this world, each and every person, if you just touch something, you'll gain. So they just have to work hard.
So don't just sit.
Don't be idle. Even Biblia says, the Bible says that a man should have to do what? Should have to work, should have to sweat. For him to get something to eat. Yeah. So you cannot just sit there waiting. God will bring. Will God come from that place and bring it for you? No. You have to struggle. You have to struggle the way we are struggling. This is my mother. This is my father. So I just depend on these and everything. Paying house, my clothing, everything. I do use these. So we should work hard. Job is job. Don't choose what to do. Do anything that comes
that will sustain you.
So long as you don't steal. You see, you don't steal. Just do anything that you can bring money. You see,
you can bring food in your table. Yeah. It is good,
and that is all.
Yes.
Stephen Omoni got a message for South Sudanese who are living in Kenya, and he was very blunt about what they do, especially those who are playing soccer but not doing anything to sustain themselves. He's telling them, go back to your country. You are not able to help yourself here, and do something so that you will be able to sustain yourself and build your country like that of ours. Here is what he said.
Mimi naambia nyinyi wa Sudanese, nyinyi ndugu zetu wa Kenya, kama sisi wa Kenya, kama nyinyi nataka kusaidia nchi yenu na nyinyi nataka kupiga hatua, wacha kuja hii mambo ati nyinyi ni refugee na kuja kaa Kenya kucheza mpira masaa 12 kwa siku. Tumia masaa kidogo kucheza mpira, wengine kwenda fanya kazi nyumbani, jenga nchi yenu. Hapana kuwa kila siku nyinyi nataka kupigana na hakuna kitu nyinyi nasaidia. Nchi ni muhimu kuliko nyinyi kushinda kucheza mpira hapa Kenya. Angalia nyinyi kushacheza mpira tangu nyinyi kushakuja hapa Kenya. Kazi gani inasaidia nyinyi? Hakuna. Rudi nyumbani, tengeneza nchi. Hiyo ndio sisi tunaomba tu. Tengeneza nchi mkue kama sisi wa Kenya, kila mtu ajivunie nchi yake. Ni hayo tu, tunashukuru.